So first of all, I want to give you an overview of the brushes that are in this brush set. So this brush set includes 100 brush stamps and dynamic pattern brushes for use in Procreate exclusively. There are 6 different dance floor brush stamps. I'm only showing 4 here, but I've since this video added a few more. There are 26 different stage and stage facade designs. We've got 27 different backdrop brush stamps. 4 stamps that are used for adding a ceiling to a stage. And then I've created 27 different combinations of stages, dance floor and backdrops. So you can get the combination of these with 1 stamp. And then I've created 10 different patterns that can be used for creating patterns on the dance floors. And I've created this brush set with all these different elements separately so that you can mix and match the different brush stamps to create an illustration that represents your design.